Namaskar dosto. Today is 19th Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learnings and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So for today, for Nifty, my trade plan was a contra view where idea was to buy on dip with assumption that market is in downtrend. The, but we will have a gap down opening, and the market as predicted went a gap down opening. I bought somewhere on this green bar. It went to the pivot, and exactly what from pivot it reversed, and we had a very strong correction. So I entered on this green bar somewhere here. On this red bar, I got out. I again tried to took another entry on this green bar. Then I got out on this red bar. And then I was, since P was not my trade plan, I did not enter on this particular fall. But like I said yesterday, technically the correct trade was to sell on rise. Although my contra theory or contra strategy did not work. I should have, what's my learning today is that when I know that market is in strong downtrend, and if I'm taking a contra view, pivot is definitely becomes a very strong point, and market has exactly reverse from the pivot. So I should have been careful on this particular green bar and should have booked my profit here and taken a reverse trade. That could have been a perfect trade for me. But uh, still learning. So important is that at least I'm understanding how it is happening. So Lalaji will make money for me. So that's an idea. So if you want to know about my MTM position, I will disclose about my entire 2021 and Feb and weekly MTM at the end of the video. So please be with me. This is a weekly wrap video. So hold your patience and let's see what Lalaji has to say to us. Now, when we look into weekly basis, what we see here is that the weekly Lalaji has corrected big time. It has taken out the last week entirely, and now on weekly basis it has closed above 8, above 20, and above all the respective moving average. So on weekly basis Nifty is still in uptrend, but definitely overstretched. 8-day moving average is at 14473 and 20-day moving average is at 13420. Now on weekly basis, if we see on daily basis, if we see, we have 4 consecutive day one after another of decline, where on daily basis it is close below 8 but still above 20, above 50 and above 200-day moving average. Now for market, small support is at 14835 and a strong support at 14750. This is where we have our magic black line and 20-day moving average. I use a very fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know about my magical lines and my trade setup, then please check out my video on YouTube called Trade Setup. So now 14754 is a very strong support for Nifty, and small support is at 14835. If 14750 is broken, then the next support is only at 14270. So that's for how the market is currently looking. Now when we look into 15-minute chart, we see that market has closed below 50, below 20, just above 8, and most importantly below 200 bar moving average. So on 15-minute chart, market is definitely in downward direction, that is in downtrend. So for downtrend, our strategy is sell on rise. For Monday, I'm not carrying any position. Currently pivot for Monday is at 15,000, which is a very strong support for psychological support for market. Then H3 is 15050 and H4 is 15117. So this 15117 becomes a very strong resistance for market going forward, because this is also 50-day moving average, monthly weekly pivot line, and monthly weekly resistance, which is 15129 R3. So this now becomes a very strong resistance for Nifty, and this zone is a area where one can go for a sell on rise. The trend is very strong, so expect market to come even closer to 20 bar moving average, which is at 15032, and that is exactly where we have a pivot of at 15,000. So any upward move towards pivot can be sold for a target of, I didn't say the target. So for a target of 14,850, 14,850, which is also a weekly support for the market. So for Nifty, idea is sell on rise at pivot 15,000, H3 15050, and H4 15117. So 15117 could be a fantastic area to short Nifty if we reach there. Otherwise at pivot. Now for Bank Nifty, again when we look on weekly chart, we see that Bank Nifty had a very strong week. It went on all-time high and then corrected and closed in red. Almost last week we had a doji, so here also Bank Nifty was looking weak, and now Bank Nifty is definitely going down. Always remember that bear market, the crash are very sharp. So all these big bars what we have seen, don't be surprised if these are taken out. Now on having said that, Bank Nifty has closed on weekly basis above 8, above 20, and above 200. So it is in uptrend, but definitely overstretch condition. The 8 bar moving average is at 33,143, and currently we are at 35,900. So almost around close to around to 3,000 points lump sum where market is overstretched. Now on daily basis, similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty has also had a sharp fall, and now we have a strong support for a Bank Nifty at 34,712. On daily basis, it has closed below 8, above 20, above 50. So here also the trend is up. Now on 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed below 20, below 50, below 200, and below and just above 8. So here also the trend is confirmed, which is downward trend. So here also, like Nifty, the strategy is to sell on rise. Uh, the pivot is 36,058, which is closer to 36,058. So just closer to 20 bar, and H3 is 36,228, and H4 is 36,534. So somewhere above red bar. So again, this 36,534 becomes a very strong resistance for a Bank Nifty. It is at 200 bar moving average, 50 bar moving average, weekly pivot, and weekly R3. So 36,530 is a very strong resistance for a Bank Nifty, and now Bank Nifty has a good support. I don't see any strong support here, but L3 is 35,300 and L4 is 34,700. So Bank Nifty is looking weak to me. So sell on rise. So that's my plan and view for the coming week for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope please do comment what you think about it. So now let's think. Now let's look into my PNL. So my profit and loss for 2021 is on equity around 65,000 rupees, close to 64,000 rupees. On February month, as of now, I will get around 31k. And on my futures and options, February has been bad month for me, 14.79. So I'm in loss in February. I had a very good chance to make money this day on my equity futures, but I did some mistake. Then on Feb month basis, let's say on January basis. Okay, so January basis, I'm at positive 32k. So I still have some money to play around. Preserve the capital. That's where I'm making mistake. I'm not preserving my capital, and I have moved into very different strategy on equity. So I have increased my quantities there. So that's where I have some impact, positive and negative days. But overall, so far so good. So I hope, guys. Uh, Biggest thing what is happening with me is that my trade plan consecutively is happening very effective and very efficient. Only thing where I need to execute and play focus is on my execution, and I'm getting myself developed. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading idea also. uh, have a good weekend. Jai Hind and stay healthy.